Hey guys, it's Brian again. We're continuing our HTML tutorial. Today we're going to cover hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are a way of linking pages together. I'm sure you have used them a million times so far, but probably never actually known how they work. So let's just go ahead and change the word world to Google, and I'm going to actually type in the command to make a hyperlink. Now this may seem a bit weird at first, but it'll all make sense at the end of this video. Now, all of this gobbledygook that we've just typed in probably looks like a foreign language to you. Don't worry, we're going to go over it right now. This is the start of the link command, also called an href command. A is an anchor. Href is basically a reference. So we're saying this anchor references http://www.google.com, and then here's the word Google. Anything between the start and the end of this tag is going to be displayed on the screen. That is your actual link. This is just the code that defines the link, and this is the code that closes that link. To make this more clear, we will go to our web page, refresh, and as you can see, we have Hello Google, and Google is the actual link. When you click it, yes, it works. There's Google. Now, all of these attributes are not visible. That's what defines what the link is. In simplest form, all you need to know is href equals the link you want to put and then the text. And you can modify this. So we're going to say, hello, Google is awesome. And when we refresh, you can see everything between the start and the stop of that tag is in the link. To solidify this, we're just add a little smiley face in there. And you can see the smiley face is not part of the link. When you click it, nothing happens. So that's a hyperlink. Basically, all you need to remember with a hyperlink is less is more. You don't want to over-inundate your users. And yes, you can link to other pages within your website, which we will cover in the next video.